The year was 399 BC, and Socrates, now in his early 70s, had been charged with the crime of corrupting the youth. Consequently, he was going to have to defend himself before a jury. He had been encouraging the youth to challenge authority and ask questions, to examine their lives. And so they bring him up on these charges. And in the end, if he is found guilty, from a practical standpoint, it would mean that Socrates must self-exile himself from Athens or face capital punishment. And in this case, it would be Socrates' choice, which was to drink hemlock. Hemlock being a poison derived from a plant that numbs your body and eventually works its way to your heart, stopping your heart. Well, in spite of his defense, the jury finds him guilty. And so Socrates, as depicted in the picture here, must now face his fate. And of course, his disciples are all distressed, and they're begging him to let them arrange an escape for him. But he says, "No, I must not run away. If the jury has found me guilty, I'm going to have to abide by the law." In his final words to his disciples, he says, "Remember that I owe a sacrifice to the god of medicine." And by this he means, as we would say, I owe one to the god of medicine. And the reason he says that is because Socrates believed that the body was just a place that housed the soul, and that upon death the soul is freed from the body. So, in this case, the god of medicine was delivering him from this bondage. And for that reason, we remember Socrates as the patron saint of philosophy, for he was willing to give his life for his beliefs. Of course, we have much more on Socrates and many other philosophers in the entire library, of not the least of which is more about Socrates himself. So please join us at Philosophers 101 by clicking on the link below. And there you'll have the opportunity to put your name and email in and join us to get access to all the videos available in the video library.